or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video wherein I'm going to be sharing with you guys my skincare, makeup, outfit and jewelry for Raksha Bandhan festive. So yeah guys, without any further delay, let's begin with the video. So I'll start off by giving myself a facial. So this is what I'm going to be using for my facial. This is Lotus Herbal's Radiant Diamond Facial Kit. This is really easy way to give yourself a facial. Plus you know guys, Lotus Herbal's facial kits are super handy, especially when there is some festive, wedding or in general also. And also guys, with this you can get salon like glow at home. And talking about the price, it is super affordable guys. It is just available at rupees 325, plus you can get multiple discounts. So yeah, let's begin with the facial. Now this facial kit comes with 4 different steps, and you know, each sachet has like a nice description over here as like how you're supposed to use and what you're supposed to do in each step. So guys, the first step is exfoliating cleanser. It's such a creamy cleansing scrub containing diamond dust and cinnamon, and you know guys, it's antioxidant cleanser, exfoliates dead skin cells for a polished and refined skin finish. And also guys, you just need to apply this cleansing scrub on your moistened skin in circular motions on the face and neck, and then rinse thoroughly. And now guys, the second step is activator. You just need to take 5 to 7 drops of activator and apply on the face and massage for like 2 to 3 minutes. And you know guys, this is like a unique diamond activator designed to dissolve diamond dust in order to bring back that lost luster of skin. And also guys, the active ingredient penetrates deep into the skin to provide great radiance. And now the third step is massage cream. You just need to apply massage cream and gently massage all over your face, neck in circular motion. And you know, you can continue massaging for around like 10 to 15 minutes for best results. This cream is infused with special microparticles which treat the skin cells and helps in generating new cells. Also guys, it has cinnamon extract which nurtures the skin and balances the skin texture with the correct moisturization level. And now guys, the last step is mask. You just need to apply a generous amount of mask on the face and neck. And you know guys, this is such a unique formula enriched with natural extracts which helps to brighten skin and removes dark and dull patches and make it even glowing, smooth and refined. So guys, I'm done with my facial and you can see how my skin is looking right now. It is looking so hydrated, glowy and you know, so plumped up. I'm really happy with the results of this facial kit. Also guys, this is natural and organic, and not only this, it is cruelty free and chemical free. So I will highly recommend you guys to check it out. You can grab your kit from Lotus Herbal's website, and I'll mention the link in the description box below, and using that link you can get 10% off. So definitely check it out, and let's begin with the makeup now guys. So guys, now I'm applying the foundation. I'm not going to apply too much foundation. It's going to be a very light makeup look so that everybody can create it, and it's going to be very easy. And with the help of damp beauty blender, I'm just blending my foundation. So guys, I'm done with the foundation. Today I'm not in a mood to apply concealer because let it be. I'm just going for a very natural look, so that's why I've just applied little bit of foundation. And now I'm just applying a little bit of compact over here, not too much. Now I'm just applying a little bit of blush. Oh my god, this shade is so damn nice. And with the help of same brush only, I'm just applying highlighter. Just look at the glow guys. Oh my god, it's looking so damn nice. And then I'm taking this particular shade and applying it over my eyelids like this. And I'm just blending it in with my fingers only. Just look at this natural, you know, eye look. It is looking so damn nice. So yeah guys, this is it for today's makeup. And talking about the outfit, I'm wearing this simple chikankari kurti. It is so beautiful and elegant. Talking about the jewelry, I'm wearing this beautiful jhumki. It is looking so damn pretty with this simple kurti. Yeah guys, this is it for today's video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bye.